guys, and thank you so much for joining me today. In today's video, I am sharing with you a organization of my master closet. It was in need of so much attention because I can't get in there to put stuff away, and it's getting a little frustrating. Now, sometimes I think there's things missing in action, but they're probably not. They're right there. It's just that I can't get a hold of them. So I'm using Dollar Tree products, and on top of that, I am using the Konmari method so I can get rid of some stuff that does not spark joy. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you my closet now, and then I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna be organizing.
So I can tell ya, we moved here in November, and I just think I just shoved everything in here. I am a working mom, so I mean, I guess I let things went out of control. But the closet, it's full of stuff that shouldn't go here. And also I have a lot of clothes that I need to get rid of, like donating and things that need to be thrown away. So join me as I declutter this crazy closet so I can have some space. I'll be using some bins from the dollar store. So I have 4 square bins and then a circle one so I can go ahead and put a few items and a trash bag to get started. So I'm going to go ahead and separate clothes on top of my bed, putting in one side the jeans, shirts, dresses, and so on. And then I'm gonna go ahead and take a look and see what sparks joy from here and what doesn't. Now, if you haven't seen the Konmari videos, basically she explains that if something in your closet or anything in general does not spark joy immediately when you see it, you need to get rid of. And that's what I'm doing today. I'm just looking through my clothes and see what sparks joy, what doesn't, and today is the day that I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of. Since there's not a lot of space in my room, I'm just gonna go ahead and start with my clothes. I'm gonna start by trying out some clothes here, see what sparks joy, what fits, what doesn't. I mean, I did lose a little bit of weight. I lost about 20 pounds, and some things in here don't fit, and I just need to let it go because I was just, letting it in the closet, wondering if I gain weight that I might need it. But, I can't think like that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get rid of them. So I'm just looking at a Konmari method video showing me how to fold the pants because I kind of forgot. So basically you take the inner or middle part of the pant, fold it in the inside, then you kind of fold it in half, not all the way through, leaving a space, and then you fold it again, and that gives you the option to stand them up. So I decided to take 2 baskets for my husband and 2 baskets for me. In one of them, I'm putting like my capris, and the other one, I am putting my long pants. Starting with my husband's clothes. Now with his clothes, I went ahead and put them all out as well, divided them with shirts, pants, things like that. And I called him to the room so he can tell me exactly what he wants to get rid of and what he doesn't. Some of the things he was giving me a hard time, but I was telling him it does not look good, or basically it has a stain that it's unremovable. And then, he agreed with me. So we went ahead and got rid of. Now, I'm not going to show a whole clip of me and him talking and discussing about this, but just letting you know that's how it pretty much went down. For his pants on the basket, I pretty much use one for shorts for work and then the other one for long jeans. Now, I might need to get him another basket, but for right now, it will work. So I'm just getting started with the rest of the things that were in the floor or in top of the top shelf, so we can go through things and, you know, get rid of things. Now, some of these things belong in other rooms and some of the things needed to just be thrown away. So that's what I did. I say this project took me more than 2 hours, and finally I'm just putting stuff back in the closet, but I love it, and I'm gonna go ahead and reveal how everything looks to ya because I am happy with the look of it now. All right, so here I have a shoe rack, which I have my husband's shoes on the top, and then my sandals and working shoes on the bottom. In the bottom of my closet, I put my husband's shoe boxes. He got sneakers inside there and also some shoes in here. And I might get like a shoe rack to put, you know, like shoes in order. I'm not sure if I'm going to do that, but for now, this will work. In this side, I have my lighting bag with my important papers in there. And then I got a safe box and my sneakers and just a bag with important things in there as well. Then I have some bags that I kept because I got rid of a lot. These are the ones that I kept. And up here I have my capris and my long pants. And this is like a bag I like to go out, like if I'm going to a hotel or something like that. And then the little bag over there is just to fill it up with, like, you know, little lotion, shampoo, and things like that. Then I have inside here like Kleenex, toothpaste, wipes, and things like that. I got wallets on this side and my beach hat, shredder, my husband's hats. I'm not sure if I'm gonna change the way that is, but for now that will do. And then on this side I have his pants. I have his pants right here, so I have his work pants and then the long pants on this side. And a bag to go out, like basically the same way if we're gonna stay at a hotel or something like that. Then I have right here I have his work clothes along with his going out clothes. So I put like jackets back there, his going out shirts right there, and then just his regular t-shirts, things like that. And then over here I coordinated my stuff by just short sleeve, and then I have my vests and things like that, cardigans, and then my dresses back there and my skirts. Now I don't have a lot of clothes right now. I gotta go shopping, but that will be soon. Other than that, I think it looks amazing. All right, guys, that is it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, do not forget to give me a big thumbs up. Also, if you're new here, please go ahead and take the time to subscribe. I would love to have you be part of my YouTube family. And for all of you who have returned back, thank you so much for watching. I check you out in my next video. Peace.